Baby, good evening from here. Good afternoon there. Anyway, just only want to say good night to you here. It's kind of early still here. It's just like almost 9:25 in the evening. But I'm sleepy. I have like dangerous good training tomorrow, like 7:30 in the morning. I need to wake up like 6 o'clock. Anyway, I hope you had great weekend. Now enjoy the whole week and say hi to everybody there, to Boo Boo and to Elena. I was in Mommy Baby's this afternoon. I just arrived here in our flat. I love you, baby. Good night. Hug me, please. I love you. Actually, I'm kind of not feeling well. I don't know. Doha. I mean, it's just maybe because of the. It's really very hot here in Doha. I love you, baby. I love you very much. Good night.